Why I asked about, did they not get the choice of getting off it and just pushing it home?
Yeah.
You know, for the first
zero
time.
tolerance.
Well, no, just last week there was an officer stopped one on the promenade.
Right.
Yeah. I don't look like a cunt.
What are they doing?
Seizing all the
Right from the jump, officers are seizing electric bikes. And if you're wondering whether they can actually do that, yes, under UK law, many e-bikes and scooters are treated the same as motor vehicles if they exceed power or speed limits. No insurance. No tax. Boom, confiscation.
electric bikes. Clampdown. Gotta go on the phone to your buddies. Give them a warning.
Don't have any buddies.
Why?
I'm lonely.
So guys, I've put my camera the right way around now. I had it on backwards. At least I'll be laughing at things like that.
What's YouTube called?
UK MTT.
UK MTT.
Yeah.
Oh, I hope you have a nice rest of your day.
And you, Sonny. Cheers. So they've got this plain van, guys. Look at this. You would never believe this was a police van, would you? Hey, look at it. Whoa.
Notice the officer reacting based on CCTV intel? This is a good example of remote detection, enforcement. Police don't physically have to see the rider to act. Do you guys think that's fair policing, or too much surveillance? Let me know in the comments.
We've got one we've got one bike in the van. They've seized off the two black guys, and then they got notification from CCTV, I'm presuming, that there was another scooter coming down Central Drive on the other side of the road. One officer's gone over and seized that bike as well. Running into key rings.
Plot twist, this isn't even a police van. It's a multi-purpose local authority vehicle being used in operations. A lot of viewers don't realize that enforcement teams often use unmarked or council vehicles to keep things low profile and catch more violations.
Yeah, the guy we need one cop.
This looks like a builder's van. What's this real purpose? This van, yeah, is it
It's general purpose for all sorts, but I use it for everything. It's
moving stuff in?
Yeah, boarding up, moving things, collecting things.
You'd never know it was a police van, would you? Never. Just looking at
It's
it.
actually a local authority vehicle.
Oh, is it? Councils? Oh, right. Are you a police officer? Yeah. You? No.
I'm not a social behaviour officer.
Section 165 of the Road Traffic Act lets authorities seize uninsured or unlicensed vehicles on public roads. Basically, if you ride something treated as a motor vehicle without the paperwork, the law is not on your side, even if you bought it from a shop thinking it was fine.
Cover Central Blackpool, mate.
Yeah, but you don't work for the police or
Local authority.
for the council?
Part of public protection.
These kind of things
Yeah.
are knocking all wheels off. So you are people that ride.
No, I don't I'm driving forward to your scooter right now, so I may go
Well,
for
kicks it out, isn't it?
Yeah. That's what's needed, isn't it, I suppose?
It really is, mate, honestly. You know, it's probably
I've seen them phone a recovery
It's one of the
truck.
most valuable commodities I have, this van.
Is it? Yeah.
Serves so many different purposes.
Multi-purpose, yeah.
Brilliant. Worth every penny.
Cheaper than phoning a recovery truck just for that,
Paid
isn't
for
it?
by the
That is going to be seized, unfortunately, under Section 165 because it's illegal to be used on the road. Okay? You don't have an MOT, you don't have insurance, you don't have tax. It's not rented for you, it's not done through the government scheme. So unfortunately, it's going to be seized. Okay? My colleague will provide you the paperwork, we'll get some details for you. Okay? And what I'll do is, I will give you that.
The officer makes a strong point. These aren't just about rules for the sake of rules. Serious injuries and even fatalities have happened from collisions with powerful e-bikes and scooters. Quick question for you, should police focus on education first, or zero tolerance like this operation?
That is a leaflet.
Yeah,
I explain to you, if you want to...
That's a fair swap,
That is a leaflet that will explain
Yes,
how
but-
you can obtain these legally. So, there's an so you can get one like that if you wanted to, okay? It cuts off a certain pace and one from the other. People like this, Halfords sell these.
Yeah, no, but I can do more damage on the bike than
I
actually
know,
on the scooter. I mean, so that's the point.
I know, but you're not allowed them. That's what the
Can I
government
get a
says.
look at that for the camera, for the viewers? So here you go, guys, there's what's legal. You have to freeze it and read it. Cheers, thank you.
Right, the back of it as well.
Oh, is there? Right. There you go, guys. So why...
Trying to educate people.
Yeah, yeah.
Do you know
Why
what I
I
mean?
asked about, did they not get the choice of getting off it and just pushing it home?
Yeah.
You know, for
There's
the first
zero
time.
tolerance.
Well, no, just last week there was an officer stopped one on the promenade.
Right.
Yeah. So I went over to be nosy. I knew the officer and he said, I heard him say to him, now I stopped you up there, further up the prom, and I advised you to get off it and push it home. You didn't, you got back on it. So now it's seized. So I didn't know if it was like officer discretion.
I can't comment on what the officer's saying. We've been briefed today on our operation. We've been told we're taking
yeah, we'll be zero then today. Yeah.
And like I said, they're so dangerous. Kids are dying on them and stuff like that. And it's the old
there was
deer.
I hit by one of the Surons on the prom, wasn't I?
And it's the old deer that walks down the
Last
down,
year.
Yeah, old deer that walks down the road. That's mind their own business.
Well, I've done numerous videos in Preston with the e-bike delivery guys. They go whizzing up and down the pedestrian zone.
It's fine.
And I don't have the authority.
Take that if you want to, mate.
All right, thanks. I don't have the authority
You know, the thing
to.
is with it, you know,
to
that
stop them.
if you own a motorbike, you've got a tax, MOT, you've got insurance.
Yeah, you're accountable.
And you've
You're
got to wear a
traceable.
helmet,
Yeah.
and you're responsible for every other road user, you know,
Yeah.
and that's the thing with it, isn't it? It's anything like that.
So, but the e-bike guys, you know, so I put my hand out to slow them down,
Yeah, good on you.
and I just say to them, you know, slow down a bit. Let's be safe.
And we see again how CCTV feeds officers directly, allowing instant responses. It's efficient, but also raises questions about surveillance and public privacy. Either way, the operation clearly scored multiple confiscations in minutes. Let's keep watching.
You're going to hit somebody. It's going to mess your day up. Police will get involved.
Oh, better go. Sorry.
Nice to meet you.
You too. Take care.
Yeah, so I've got half a dozen videos that I've not put up yet
Yeah.
on that basis.
Just, I mean, like I say, it doesn't help. Certain companies sell them as well. Certain shops.
That's just it. People think that because they buy it, it's legal, isn't it?
Yeah, and they
It's a
don't
shame.
read everything.
It is a shame for some people.
Yeah.
You know, they might just be getting a cheap way to go to work.
Yeah. But it's about educating people as well.
The law's the law, innit, I
Yeah.
suppose, yeah.
Like I say, it's not nice knocking on someone's door and saying, unfortunately,
Yeah.
someone's passed away.
Yeah.
You know, I don't want to do that.
Hit by
No
an
one wants to
e-bike,
do
no.
that. And
That's
no
my
one wants
very
to
point.
No one wants to lose a loved one because of it.
Interesting, that's my very point. I want to keep trying to slow them down.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right, no worries, mate. Right, take
Thank
care.
you for the chat. So there's another two off the road guys. See, they don't even have to see you guys. CCTV advises them. CCTV spots you and just radios to the nearest officer. Perfect there. That's what happened. From a police point of view, got two birds with one stone, so to speak. Later guys.